So today we're going to be unboxing my December Sephora Play, and if you have never heard of Sephora Play, please take a second for yourself. This will honestly be life-changing. This will be life-changing if you are a subscriber addict like I am. I have so many subscription boxes, but Sephora Play is really a nice box. So Sephora Play is $10 every month. In it, you get 6 samples. That's right, I said 6 samples. You get 6 samples in every bag, unlike Ipsy or Birchbox where you get like 4 or 5 samples. Now, everything you do get inside of the Sephora Play box is sample size. However, last month or the month before, I got a full-size Clinique eyeliner in there. That's never happened in the history of ever with Sephora Play. But there are a couple other things that set Sephora Play aside from Ipsy or Birchbox. So if you have Sephora Play, if you sign up for Sephora Play, chances are you have a Sephora account, and with your Sephora account you have Beauty Insider points. So basically, with the purchase of every $10 Sephora Play box, you get 10 points added to your Beauty Insider account. Your Beauty Insider account, I don't really know the whole in-depth explanation of what your Beauty Insider account is, but I do know once you reach a certain amount of points, you can cash in those points to receive like sample products and travel size products and stuff like that. But wait, there is more. So basically, when you get each month's box and it comes to your door and you open it up, there's this little sheet, and each sheet comes with a play pass. That 50-point play pass can be used online or in store, and basically with the purchase of a minimum of $20, you can then turn in that 50-point play pass and you get an additional 50 points added to your Beauty Insider account, which then will collect up over a massive amount of time. Honestly, I was able to, with all of the Sephora Play subscriptions, I've never used a Play Pass before, but with all of the Sephora Play boxes I received, I was able to turn in those points and get a travel size Tarte lippy, which was fun. It was a nice little, I didn't know that, but I checked out Sephora and the girl was like, oh, you have this many points. And I was like, oh, what? That's crazy. Let me get a lipstick from Tarte. So basically, then there is more. So basically, you get hair care, you get skincare, you get makeup, you get perfume samples inside of Sephora Play. Basically, you will get a perfume or a scented sample of some sort in your Sephora Play, which counts as the 6 samples. So the 6th sample is going to be either a perfume sample or a scented sample of some sort. So with all of that chit chat, I'm going to stop talking. So this month I did not receive a perfume sample. This month instead I received a Defense Refresh Setting Mist Broad Spectrum SPF. Sprint over your makeup to refresh UV protection from Supergoop. So basically, this is a spray on a sunscreen, and it kind of has like a lemon citrus scent to it. I don't know too much about Supergoop. It's a brand that I've never heard of, but the ball inside of the bottle sounds so fun. And SPF, like, we all need that. It's a setting mist. I don't know. I feel like this is meant more for summer, so I don't really know how I feel about this. But honestly, if you're just looking for a quick, like, facial refresher, if you're going out and lots of partying, I'm sure that this would be a really nice addition. The next thing that I am pulling out is from Too Faced. Oh, I'm so excited about this. This is the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. Oh my goodness. Okay, Too Faced, those are samples I almost never see inside of my Sephora Play, but I'm so happy that this is a primer sample. I love getting primer samples inside of my box. This does have a slight peach scent to it, but it's infused with peach and sweet fig cream, and I'm picking a lot more, I pick up on the fig a lot more than I do the peach. But I mean, these sample sizes, I have a bunch of these in my drawer, and depending on how I'm feeling or what my skin's acting like that day, I have a bunch of different variations I can pick from. And Sephora Play is like Ipsy and Birchbox, where you fill out a beauty profile and you list your beauty preferences and all that. And I don't feel like Sephora ever listens to that. However, this is a mattifying primer, and I listed that I have oily skin, so this definitely made me feel like they listened to my beauty profile for once. The next thing that I received is a mascara from Tarte. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. I love getting mascara samples in Sephora Play. I feel like high-end mascaras sometimes are a little bit better than drugstore. It's not always, but I love trying them out, and I don't always want to go spend $20 on a full size or even $12 on a sample size mascara to see if I like it or not. I'm really happy that I got a sample from Too Faced and from Tarte in the same box. Like, that's honestly not something that happens that often, where you get 2 well-known brands in the same bag. But so far, that's really, really exciting, and we're off to an amazing start for December. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Moroccan treatment. This is a hair oil, which I haven't gotten in such a long time, but I will admit that the packaging on the bottle is a little bit damaged, but hair oil is not something I've gotten in such a long time. And honestly, my small amount of collection sample sizes that I've collected is starting to run out, so I'm glad that I have this to refresh my collection. This sample is from Wonder Beauty. This is Glow Lotion. So basically, this is a skincare enriched hydrating lotion that delivers a beautiful sheer champagne gold finish. Wear over or under makeup. I'm just going to take a little sample. I've been loving using a highlighter under my, like, liquid highlighter under my foundation recently. So I do have to, like, there actually is a very noticeable difference, but I would love to wear this on my chest or over my shoulders in the sunlight or at a party. That would be so pretty because, like, look how big of a difference there is between my two hands. There is definitely a very, like, a nice luminance to the skin on this hand. So I can't wait to see what this looks like in, like, party lights or in the sunlight. And the last thing that I received is from Fresh Sugar, which is a brand I never ever get ever in my Sephora play. This is the Caramel Hydrating Lip Balm. Yes! I freaking love this stuff. It literally, like, it has a light caramel taste, and I just dropped it. Scent of this stuff is absolutely so amazing. Look on it on my nail, like, it has a light caramel color, but oh my god, it literally, it's just a lip balm. It's not the most hydrating lip balm that I've ever seen, but I constantly need something on my lips, and this is what I like reach for when I'm looking for something that doesn't have too strong of a taste, because, like, all chapsticks have some sort of taste, and I like keeping this in my purse because it's in a, like, a jar and not a tube, and I have a tendency to squeeze chapstick out of tubes all over everything in my purse, so this little jar is really nice. But honestly, if you want something that smells like caramel and you're at Sephora and you're like, I want something that's really strong scented but doesn't have a strong taste, girl, this stuff I'm really impressed with. So that is everything that I got in my December Sephora play. I have to say, I'm so happy with this box. I'm so happy that I got the lip balm and I got a hair care and I got makeup. Like, I'm just so happy that I got brands that I recognize. And I feel like this box was honestly the best box I've gotten from Sephora in such a long freaking time. Like, I've gotten a lot of really good boxes, but, like, this box blew all the other boxes out of the water. The only thing, like, would have been nice instead of the sunscreen would have been, like, an eyeshadow or something like that. But I've never received, or highlighter, but I've never received anything like that in my Sephora play. But they did end this year with a bang. Like, this is the last box that I'm getting for 2018. So I have to say, that box was really amazing. I can't wait to see what they have in store for 2019. So what is your favorite product in my December Sephora play? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.